The idle air control valve, or IACV, regulates airflow to maintain a stable engine idle speed, typically between 600 and 1000 RPM. It bypasses the throttle plate, adjusting the amount of air entering the manifold to ensure consistent idle performance. Here you can see the throttle body system with the IACV connected to the engine control module and various sensors. The IACV maintains this stable RPM range for proper engine function. This valve is crucial for smooth operation, fuel efficiency, and emissions control in older internal combustion engines. However, newer vehicles are shifting to electronic throttle bodies or are electric vehicles, reducing the prevalence of traditional IACVs. Erratic idle is when your engine RPM fluctuates unpredictably. This happens because the IACV is inconsistently regulating airflow, causing the engine speed to surge and drop. This is often due to a dirty or failing valve that can't properly control the air intake. This is more common in older vehicles. A high idle occurs when the engine RPM remains elevated, typically above 1500 RPM. This is usually caused by an IACV that's stuck open, allowing excessive air to enter the engine even when it should be idling at a lower speed. This can lead to increased fuel consumption and wear on your engine. Low idle is when the engine RPM drops too low, often below 500 RPM, leading to rough running or hesitation. This happens when the IACV isn't providing enough air to sustain a normal idle. The engine may vibrate excessively or feel like it's about to stall. This low of an RPM may be damaging to your engine. Diagnosing a bad IACV starts with checking for vacuum leaks, which can mimic IACV symptoms. Inspect hoses and the intake manifold for cracks or loose connections. Next, test the IACV's electrical resistance using a multimeter. Disconnect the valve and measure between the terminals. You should read 10 to 15 ohms. Out-of-range readings indicate a faulty valve. Verify the solenoid operation by applying battery voltage to the valve terminals. The plunger should move smoothly when power is applied, indicating proper mechanical function. In modern vehicles, scan for OB2 trouble codes. A P0505 code specifically indicates an idle air control system malfunction, pointing directly to IACV issues. AI-powered scan tools can assist with diagnosis, but manual testing remains standard for older vehicles. For complex cases, consult a professional auto mechanic who can perform these tests accurately. Minor IACV issues, such as carbon buildup, can often be fixed by cleaning the valve with carb cleaner. This involves removing the valve, spraying it with cleaner, and reassembling it. For severe faults that cleaning can't resolve, replacement is necessary. IACV parts cost between $20 and $100, with labor adding $50 to $150. Consider remanufactured valves for an environmentally friendly option. In hybrid systems, software updates can often fix idle shutter without needing hardware changes. With the rise of electric vehicles and hybrid powertrains, IACVs are becoming less relevant. EVs don't idle in the same way as traditional engines, eliminating the need for IACVs entirely. Experts predict IACVs will be obsolete in passenger vehicles by 2030. They will be replaced by electronic throttle control in hybrids and full electrification in EVs. The focus is shifting to digital integration and sustainable solutions.